Here's another front clip brought to you by Jared at WeberBros. This is a 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This one is also slated for customer pickup. You can see we've got one in the background. There's one hiding in the corner over there. Do a lot of front clip pickups. We also ship them out freight. If you're picking up, it's going to look exactly like this. It's not wrapped, it's sitting on a skid. If you need it wrapped and you need it shipped, it's a whole different story. Considerable expense, considerable time and material goes into it. So just ask us. We're happy to help you out and work out an estimate for you. As always, I like to go over these and discuss any potential issues. We always tell people on the phone if they call in what to expect. This one obviously is missing the fender flare on the right side here. A little scratch and a ding right here as well. Nothing too terrible, but worth noting. Little area that could probably be buffed out here. If you're doing color, we don't promise paint, but we'll tell you if we see something out of the ordinary. Some are perfect, some are not. We will describe them in great detail. This one looks like the dash deployed. We don't always leave dashes in place, but since this one deployed, we find little use for it. So we leave it in place. You might find something you can use, hard to say, but that's not always the case. Again, any questions, just ask us. We're happy to help you and get you under the hood here. And that is one of the heavier hoods I've lifted up in a while. That's a solid piece. So standard cut for us looks something like this. We do our best to not cut anything. It's not always the case. Sometimes it's just not feasible, but our guys disconnect. They're instructed to disconnect and not cut. That includes hoses, harnesses, AC lines, things of that nature. That ABS unit's also not always promised. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. It's a supply and demand situation. If equipped up front, it would have a battery box, fuse box, sometimes battery boxes under the seat, in the trunk, who knows. Splash shields, air filter housing, miscellaneous clips, wires, hoses that may have come off in the process go in there. Rad condenser fan stay in place. Rad support, obviously. So if you have any questions about this or any other clip you see posted in our inventory or something you're looking for, don't hesitate to give a call, shoot an email, find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it. I've got them all covered. Jared at WeberBros is all you got to search to find me. Also, feel free to give a call, 800-222-2528. My direct extension is 112. Thanks for watching.